Today I'm going to be reviewing Carifree's Gel Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste with Nano Hydroxyapatite. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So why would you want this? What makes this different? First of all, it has everything that you want. It's got the fluoride in it. It's got real mint oil. It's made in the USA, but they have the added Nano Hydroxyapatite, which is going to help with rebuilding your enamel, and the xylitol, which may reduce the growth and acid producing cavity causing bacteria. It is just a gel, a little white, but just basically it's just a colorless gel. It also has low abrasion, so you don't have to worry about that. This is also good for kids and adults. It does really well on Amazon. Not only does it have 4.5 stars, it has over 6,000 reviews. And last month, just this one 2.4 ounce tube sold 4,000 plus. So people are liking it. I'm not showing that it's getting returned. So if you're looking for a better toothpaste, a healthier toothpaste, and one that's going to help with your enamel also with that Nano Hydroxyapatite, check out Carifree Gel. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.